Discover the ultimate gardening hack that's been hiding in plain sight. A simple water trick that outshines expensive sprays in battling bud-loving aphids. If you've ever watched helplessly as these tiny pests swarm your precious buds, leaving behind sticky residue and attracting ants, you know the frustration. But here's where it gets game-changing. You don't need a pricey miracle spray to save your plants. In fact, the solution is as close as your garden hose. Picture this: a dewy morning, sunlight glinting off the honeydew coating your rose buds, and ants marching up the stems like an army on a mission. You're tempted to reach for that £14.99 bottle promising instant relief, but hold on. My neighbor, Jax, taught me a lesson that day. With a casual shrug and a hose in hand, she demonstrated how a firm, angled spray of water could dislodge aphids in seconds. No chemicals, no residue, no drama. I stood there, tea in hand, utterly amazed. Just water. But here's where it gets controversial. Could something as basic as water really outperform fancy sprays? The answer is a resounding yes, and here's why. Aphids are soft-bodied and cling out of habit, not necessity. A targeted burst of water knocks them off buds without damaging delicate petals. It also breaks the sticky honeydew film they produce, which ants rely on for food. Without their sugary buffet, ants lose interest, and the aphids are left vulnerable to predators. It's a win-win for your plants and the ecosystem. Last spring, my allotment neighbor Elsie conducted an accidental experiment. She sprayed her roses with a premium natural oil blend, while I stuck to my trusty hose. Her blooms showed faint oil spots in the sunlight, but mine flourished, clean, ant-free, and aphid-resistant. By June, she'd switched to water, admitting she felt foolish for not trying it sooner. And this is the part most people miss. Water isn't just a tool, it's a truce with your garden, protecting your plants without declaring war on the environment. Here's how to master the water trick. 1. Timing is key. Choose a cool part of the day, like early morning or late afternoon. 2. Gear up. Use a hose with a fan-shaped nozzle for a gentle yet effective spray. 3. Angle matters. Direct the water upward under the buds and leaf undersides, sweeping sideways to lift aphids off. 4. Be consistent. Repeat every 2 to 3 days for a week to break the aphid cycle. 5. Pair with tweaks. Wipe away honeydew, cut ant bridges, and steady stems for better results. But wait, is it really that simple? Yes, and that's the beauty of it. No need for pressure washing. Think of it as a gentle toothbrush for your plants. Even houseplants can benefit. Just take them to the sink and use a hand sprayer. And while plain water works wonders, a tiny drop of mild soap in tough cases can help, but test it first. Now, here's the thought-provoking part. In a world of glossy products and quick fixes, why do we overlook the simplest solutions? Water isn't just free, it's kinder to your garden and the planet. By choosing this method, you're not just saving money, you're fostering a healthier, more balanced ecosystem. So, the next time you spot aphids, grab your hose and give it a try. Will you join the water revolution, or do you still swear by store-bought sprays? Let's debate in the comments. Key takeaways. Directed water works. A firm, angled spray removes aphids without harming buds. Routine beats rescue. Consistent rinsing prevents infestations before they start. Pair with small tweaks. Simple additions amplify results with minimal effort. FAQ. Thick clusters. Start gentle, then firm up. Pinch off stubborn clusters if needed. Bud damage. Use a fan spray and support stems, buds can handle it. How often? Every 2 to 3 days for a week, then weekly for maintenance. Houseplants. Shower or sink rinse with a hand sprayer. Soap needed? Rarely. Plain water is usually enough, test soap sparingly. Keep it real in the garden, there's a quiet joy in choosing simplicity. This trick won't impress a shelf of products, but it will impress your plants. Share it with a neighbor, swap stories, and watch the best ideas spread, one fence line at a time. Use water, win time. And ask yourself, what else in life gets easier when we stop overcomplicating?